No, the kit is in French, isn't it?
Quick and easy to use.
Yeah. I thought this, but yeah, I thought that would have been the correct size.
We'll find out soon enough. Alright, so there's no point in me going in.
No, well that's why I went in.
Oxidise it? Well, surely that won't oxidise.
No, well it's plastic, essentially, I suppose a cheap plastic. You know, a bit like the sides of bush shelters where you see the plastic go yellow and over time.
Well, the bush shelters I see are shattered.
Right. I live in Morbus, we don't get that.
Alright, okay.
Because it's not UVA stable, it degrades, oxidises.
Right.
So the spray is meant to protect the front.
I never knew that. So enough of that one. We're going to go to the next layer. Ooh, yeah,
No, I'm going to get those scratches out I put in. Maybe I was going too quick.
So that's the first pass. What grade was that then? 80? 800. Yeah, it was easier to do it by hand than use the drill. The drill seemed to be melting the plastic.
Even when the drill was on a slow speed, the pads are smaller than the arbor that you get.
Yeah.
So this is hitting.
It must be it must be the edges that's doing it.
Right and right. So -1 so far. Or we're going to do a top gear and have a little scoreboard. Never mind, that was my good thing. You're here. I've got too many tea bags.
So this is the right technique. You put water on first and go over it with that one.
Yeah, you're supposed to keep it wet. That's supposed to be on a slow speed. You just meant to get all the scratches out. I did do this with what was it called?
Alpha.
No, with it's amazing how I forget my words since me he'd went funny. What's it called? Teacup.
Meanwhile,
I think this is better because you can get into the corner.
so this is after the first pass.
Is it going to be getting better or worse?
It's supposed to be getting better, really, isn't it?
Oh, that bit's good.
Okay, so what system we've got?
It's the abrasive polish. Essentially, this would be a bit like the teacup that I used the first time.
Oh, let's hope it goes better than the first step.
So I'll spread them around. So by hand, I've gone through the 800, 1000, 1500, and
Where
then
was that when you
3000.
did that?
You were on the phone telling your girlfriend
Right.
you loved it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it looks like it. Actually, go and get it. Might work better. Oh, a little bit of speed, I think. Oh, a bit of splashback coming your way. I must say I'm quite disappointed with this kit.
Well, wait until you finish.
Well, that not being the right size is left a couple of marks. I'm quite disappointed. Maybe the other night.
Looking better.
It looks better than this side. And don't forget, this is still a load.
That's the left side, still to be done. And that's the new side. Looks good. Yeah, that looks really good. Let's compare it with the left side. Right then, onto the second light.
Minus the what's it called? The arbor. I'm not going to have a go with that.
No, because that was sort of burning the plastic a little bit, wasn't it?
You can still see it on the corner on the other one.
Let's have a look. Oh yeah.
I know it's only small, but
Yeah. So beware.
right. What are you doing, Brian?
I'm going to do a very light spray.
You're going to do what?
A very light spray.
Oh, it smells nice.
It smells nice.
Good for deodorant.
Yeah, I haven't got any. I'll take this with us. I've got a buffet.
That looks so good. You can't actually see the scratches now, can you? Might just be my dodgy eyesight.
I can see a slight one there, but it's a lot better than it was. But
Yeah, with like melt marks and things. Let's just compare that to the other one. Oops, get my drill. Yeah, it looks better than that one. It looks a bit like. Do you remember those Saabs that had the light that went all the way around the headlight?
Yeah. With
the guy liner Saab. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's lovely. That.
So I think that's good to go until it starts getting dull again. You can put your sealer back on.
Right, so I'm going to have to think of a new excuse for why I didn't see that stoplight.
Much better.
Look, you got past the dirty bit on the car.
Is that Max?
Yeah.
Does. Job done. Only took what? For 45 minutes?
That was with cups of tea in between.
Yeah. No biscuits, like. Bonus content. Got to put some LEDs in.
Oh, that's not the bonus bit. It's getting the buggers in without taking the wheel off. Because I saw there's a doggy poo. I might not want to sit there, you know.
Ah.
I might
Move the car forward.
Is that doggy poo?
It's going to follow you everywhere.
Bloody doggy. Right, I'm going to move
Doggies, out of the way. Trevor, Matt, Brody. Right, out the way. Max. Go that way. Doggy poo, no poo.
See, I've seen things where people have their the wheel off and stuff to do it, but I just use the 2p coin.
So what we're doing there?
2p coin, you capitalist. Can you see the?
Not really.
Oh, well, there's you see too. There's a black flap.
Ah, yeah.
And you just turn these screws sort of quarter of a turn.
Right.
In the correct direction probably helps.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Something like that.
Yeah.
But I don't know who she is, so that may not be the case.
Mm-hmm. Is it working?
Do you know what the problem is?
You need something a bit flatter.
No, the coin is fine. My eyesight is not bad. I can't actually see it, which is quite amusing.
Do you not need a light on there?
There's a little flap.
Oh yeah.
There's your screws. That.
Yeah.
But he's just popped out there. But I'll pick them up and get them. And then, can you see in there at all? Oh, rust. Oh, I'm not very happy with that.
Oh, you have to get a new Z4.
Yeah.
Right.
Can you see in there?
Yeah.
And then there's this plastic clip. Now you might have to get a screwdriver for. You pull that down.
Yeah.
And then this cover.
Oh, I can see daylight.
Yeah. You should be able to see crystal clear daylight.
Yeah, really clear now.
It's a bit faffy.
Doesn't have still a dog show.
It's my new deodorant.
Ooh.
And there, that comes off.
Interesting. So all of the lights are hidden behind it.
Yeah.
So I'll go around the front so I can see, maybe see what you're
if we
doing.
can work out where the side light is, I think.
Yeah, the bottom on the
Is
your
it
right.
moving?
Not really.
This one.
Oh, the whole thing's moving now.
Do you want to switch your side lights on?
It's the bottom one.
That one?
The whole thing's moving with your headlight in. So it's the bit on the bottom you want. Oh yeah, it's moving.
Is it that one?
It was just moving there when you. Yeah. Now it's moving. Yeah, that's it.
Oh, that's a bit of a bugger there. Get to. Well, C rather. Not that one.
No.
Because that's.
Oh, that's the top one.
That. All right.
That's the wrong one. So it's the one directly underneath.
Which I can't see.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh. Is he on
It's not just a twisty thing, you just twist.
For the others, yes.
That's it, you turn it, yeah.
It's just not easy to find.
Yeah, you're turning it. Well, you were. Now it's going back to the left. That's it.
Let him out.
That's it out.
Ooh, do you want to open my magic packet?
I'll open the magic packet.
Oh, Trevor, you can't eat this. It's a bit warm, man. It's a bit warm. Oh, it's Trevor 10.
There's the new one.
Ooh. And I'm nicely cleaned by Trevor. Do you want to clean the bulb first? Yep, that's sorted.
It's past the test.
Does he work? Oh, no. This is two ways to put these. I hope. Woo! Woo!
Oh, yeah. It's getting there.
Is that him?
It's a boy.
What's that?
Duck poo.
You can have it if you want it. Is he in?
Yeah. It looks funny. It's got like 3. It's got like.
Does he want turning?
It must just be the angle it's at. Yeah.
Does he want turning?
Will it stay in if you turn it? I mean, it's
yeah.
all right. It's just when you look at the bulbs, it's making us blind.
Does he look okay?
Yeah. It's
Nice.
bright that line. Bloody hell. Nice one.
And back in the magic hole. Do you
Yeah.
want to give that a clean? All right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Trev says that's all right. I seem to remember the.
Yeah.
Didn't take long at all, did it?
5 minutes. 5-minute job. Looks so much better.